my gosh, guys, I literally just saw a bobcat. Yes, I did! That is wrong. If you see a copperhead, do not approach. It is extremely venomous. Just slowly back away and call wildlife services. Everyone, follow me. Guys, wait up! Slow down! Hurry up!
Life hack for my outdoorsy people. If you're in an area with a lot of ticks, take a piece of duct tape, wrap it around your leg, sticky side facing out, and as the ticks are crawling up your leg, they won't be able to get to the top because they get stuck to the duct tape. It works pretty well when you're walking around in tall grass like this.
Hunt for Giadas with us. No. OMG. No again. Big boy. That's one.
How can we eat 3,500 calories a day and still lose weight?
Walk 3,000 miles from Mexico to Canada.
This is everything we eat in a day. Watch the calories add up below.
We start the day with 3 coffees.
Breakfast was grits and gravy.
Then it's time to start walking.
On our first break, we snacked on a bunch of cashews.
After a few more miles, we had fig bars.
We washed those down with electrolyte drink.
When we were about halfway done with the day's miles, it was time for tomato and herb rice for lunch.
Our first snack of the afternoon was a yummy bar.
After a few more miles, we had peanut butter filled crackers.
We also munched on some dehydrated bananas.
We washed them down with some sports drink.
Then another snack, this time cold-soaked ramen.
Finally, we're done hiking for the day and it's dinner time. Our homemade chili with noodles.
We even had chips on the side.
And some hot apple cider kept us warm before bed. We burn about 4,000 calories a day walking.
And that's still not enough to maintain our weight.
So we pig out when we get to town.
Much more than you'll ever know. Yes, darling, I'm so hurt.
Colors and promises.
Right here we have a northwestern dinglepuff. One thing that you'll notice if you look very closely is that the flower is purple.
Mom! Look it!
What's going on? This can't be happening. Don't tell me it's a song.
It's a song.
This wasn't how I planned it. Can't you see that this has gone too far? Please just pause the DVR. Someone, won't you make it stop? I'm losing my mind.
I don't see your problem.
Everything I say it rhymes. Here comes another line.
Just close your eyes if you don't wanna see.
What's this choreography? Someone, won't you make it stop?
Are you just telling all your friends about me? Is that what this is? Don't come here. I'm not gonna eat you. Come here. Come here. It's okay. I didn't mean to scare you. Right there. I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna get my gropes in while you eat like a big fat boy. You're such a fatty. Oh, look at you eat. I finally understand that whole like that fetish with dudes date fat chicks and they just feed them. I get it, dude. I'm into it, bro. Yeah, put that in there. Mmm. Look at them cheeks. Ooh, those cheeks are soft as fuck. Mmm. No, it's all good. Oh, there's a mouse down there. I'll get you next, Mr. Mouse. I'm gonna come down there. You good? All right, bro. All right, you want some too, bro? Yeah, eat my fucking orange peels. Now I get some peanuts too.
I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer street, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen. My body turns to ice, crushing weight of paradise.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that I'm going to match the color of this ice, and I'll start with ultramarine blue, white, some magenta, and yellow. Just trying to make like a gray. So it looks too green. I'll add a little bit of magenta in there to neutralize that. It's too much. I'll add some yellow. It needs to go lighter, so I'll add some titanium white. It's getting pretty close. There's a lot of variety in that ice. I think that matches the dark spots. If I add more white, I think that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna match the color of this water right here, and I'll start with yellow, red, and then I'll add blue, and this should make a brown. I'll add some white in there. Looks too green, so I'll add some red. Needs to go lighter. I think it needs a little ultramarine blue. And maybe some magenta just to counteract some of that green. That was too much. But I'll add some white in here because I can see this needs to go lighter. And I'd say that's about it right there. It's pretty close. I wanted to really tweak that. Would add the blue and then some magenta, maybe a little bit of yellow, and a touch of white. I think this is more of the angle I was looking at. That looks pretty good.
My BFF sent me this video of her, and I've been crying laughing at it for 20 minutes.
No. Ree, under the grass, Ree!
I'm going to match the color of the snow, and I'll start with white, ultramarine blue, small amount of red, more blue, it's looking pretty good. I think it needs some yellow though. I think yellow will help make it a little bit duller. Still more blue. That's looking pretty close right there. I think that's it.
I'm here now. I would not fit in there. Wow.
I did it!
You did.
That's how you do it, shit, like.
I'm going first.
Oh, nah, go first. I'm about to take a picture.
You gotta be lower than that.
You can just move.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, it's about to catch something. Y'all ready to go back?
I love it.